Today we're headed up to the Denver Convention Center to the RV show. Our main focus today is looking at vans, see if that's maybe something that we're going to do later on. Who knows? Anyway, this ought to be interesting.
Sure this is the one.
What did you say?
Said I'm pretty sure this is the one.
Okay, let's slow down. All right, so here's the deal. That green Jago sitting on that Mercedes chassis, that's the one. And unfortunately, this is where I'm at right now. I think we just need to slow down for a minute. I don't know if this is gonna go or not. And I don't even know if I want it to right now. So here's something funny. I told them I was fixing to leave, go get something to eat. Look what they brought me. Looks like a war zone. I don't guess they want me to leave. So that's what we did all day yesterday, and yeah, we did that. You know, I was sick to my stomach for the hour drive home last night, that's for sure. And wow, you know, we're about 2 years ahead of schedule on getting that van, and that thing's a monster. But you know, after measuring my rig right now at 24 feet, and this is 25 feet, I mean, ain't much of a difference. The only difference is now I don't have a truck because I traded my truck and camper combo for this. So we're looking on Facebook Marketplace for a little beater or something, you know, about $1,000, $1,500 just to get back and forth to work. So it shouldn't be that hard to find one. So we go to Longmont, Colorado, February the 13th, and that's on a Friday, to pick this thing up and drop off my rig. And then we're gonna spend that weekend kind of getting it all fitted out. Then the following weekend, we're gonna run up to one of these state parks and do our first outing in it, just to kind of see how we like it. You know, the funny thing is if we don't, it's too late now. I think I talked about in the last video how I wanted to go rent one and see if we really liked it or not, but the end result is just quit trying to fight divine intervention, you know, and just kind of roll with it and quit second guessing. And it's hard to say when you're spending that kind of money. You know, my first house I bought cost $20,000 less than that machine. And that was a 4-bedroom brick home. Buyer's remorse. I don't know, it hadn't hit me yet, because you know, this is our ultimate goal and our ultimate dream, to retire in about 3 years, and that's what we were going to get. I don't know. It was kind of weird how that all happened, because there was, I don't know, about 10 or 15 of those, you know, camper vans in that show. And you know, even though we just kind of glanced in, we just kept walking by until she saw that one and walked straight into it and said, "This is it." And I agreed with her. And you know, how do you fight that when you know kind of deal? So anyway, there ain't gonna be any more Palomino truck camper camping. I guess now we're gonna be van life people. You know, it's amazing how life can change so quickly, but this is for the good. It's gonna be for the good. I don't know if I'm trying to convince you or convince me, but this is good. Anyhow, I'm gonna take you along when we go pick it up. We're gonna do a walkthrough on it. They're gonna show us all the bells and whistles, and there's a lot. And that kind of intimidates me a little bit, just because of how much stuff can go wrong. You know, just a regular old camper, not much can really go wrong, but something in this scale and with as many electronics as it has, and it's all a smart system, and I just don't know. But it comes with a built-in Starlink, so there goes me have to keep talking about that. You know, at least we're gonna have Starlink. But anyway, I think she's in there filling the Amazon cart full of stuff for this new ride that we've got. Yeah, this is gonna be a good year. I hope y'all stick around and share this new adventure with us. So if I don't see you on the trail, I'll see you down the road.